Welcome to this channel. Are you ready to make money? Here is one of the easiest ways to make up to $2,500 this week. Get up to $83 every time you win this solitaire game. You can win in minutes with Solitaire Cash. Even from your phone, they'll pay you up to $83 each time you win on PayPal or Apple Pay. While it won't replace your 9-to-5 main income, it's probably better than scrolling on your phone for free. Solitaire Cash is ranked as the number 3 cards game on Apple Store. With an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars for 130K ratings, it's a fair and legit app. You can win cash completely free, but if you're ready to up the amount, make a deposit. You can deposit just $5 and multiply your winnings in skill-based cash tournaments. Don't worry, deposits are optional and never more than spare change. You'll have even higher odds to earn up to $83 per win the higher the deposit. Imagine what you could get with up to $83 per win. You might be surprised. Download Solitaire Cash and get up to $83 every win. Cash tournaments not available worldwide, so check their list for available countries. Disclaimer: Ready to Make Money channel assumes no responsibility or liability for any errors or omissions in the content of this site. Information contained in this site is provided on, as is, basis with no guarantees of completeness, accuracy, usefulness or timeliness. This is not financial advice, nor am I in any way a financial advisor. Results shown are no guarantee you will earn if you invest. Age disclosure: this channel is for adults 20 years and over only. All investments are high risk, as you may lose all your investment. Please do your own research, as we are not responsible for any money lost trying this or any methods seen in these videos. Subscribe, like and share, leave a comment for more ways to make money online.